My name is Damian De La Rosa and I'm in 4th grade, and here's my GT tag project. Ferruccio was born in April 28, 1916. Ferruccio started building tractors after World War II and sold them to farmers and won a lot of money. After that, he bought his first Ferrari. When the Ferrari he had bought was malfunctioning, he decided to do his own company, Deportive Cars. Ferruccio went to talk to Enzo and told him he had sketches for more Ferraris, but Enzo refused. The first one he had made was a Lamborghini 350 GTV. How many miles does the car can go per hour? They can go from 0 kilometers to 100 kilometers in 2.8 seconds and 62 mph. They can reach speed from 0 mph to 400. They are super fast. The most fastest is the Lamborghini Egoista. That is almost the newest car the company has made, but the newest from all of the Lamborghini is the Concordia. They are too expensive. The most expensive is the Lamborghini Veneno. You need $4 million to buy it, including taxes. That's only for multimillionaires. Only for one car, and the last one needs more than $100,000 to buy it. What inspired me? He inspired me to choose a career that helps the world and to understand that invention skill can help lots of things or to make them better. His childhood. Ferruccio's parents were farmers. Ferruccio was interested in mechanics. He started to help his father tractors, and later on he got in his technical school in Bologna, Italy. He had lots of challenges when crossing with other cars like Enzo Ferrari. Enemies. In his life he faced lots of enemies. The greatest he has faced was Enzo Ferrari. Ferruccio showed him some sketches for new cars, but Enzo didn't want them. Ferruccio decided to start a car company.
So show us your invention now.
And my invention is about a projector that you can put at the upper part of your ear. And what it will help when getting lost or needing to finish a project or to look for information or something. Need to finish a project, no problem if you're lost, needing information about something. What it won't help. It won't help at a lot of things in going just to save you. The first one is video games. If a kid loses it during class, he could maybe fail a test because he didn't pay attention to class. Another thing it won't help is when kids are going to sleep, they can see scary stuff and won't sleep until they forget about it. The other is they could maybe see inappropriate stuff in YouTube, Google, or the internet. The story. Some people may be asking how did he came up with the idea. There are two parts of how I came up with the idea. The first part was when I was at the mall with my family when some lady saw a Lego set that I wanted since months. After minutes of looking at the Lego set, my family wasn't there when I turned my head. That's when I came up with part of an idea. That part was a little projector that you put on top of your ear and projector that a map when you are lost. No, that projects a map when you're lost. The second part is when I had to look for an important cause. I didn't have anything of information. Projector and put in more accessories like video cameras, YouTube, Google, but you didn't need an internet. Could control it with your eyes. I had a comic over here, but I don't think I could read it that much. Cause, it's cause and effects, and what it will help and what it won't help. These are it won't help, the things that it won't help. Scary stuff. A kid when he's seeing scary stuff in night, and then he's crying, "Mommy!" and then he's scared when it's at night. Another one is when video games, the teacher is talking and the kid is playing video games. Then he does his test, and after the test, he gets a 50%. Another one is inappropriate stuff. He sees inappropriate stuff, and the parent sees them and grounds them. The good things are getting lost. He asks, "Where am I?" And then he looks through the projector and he gets to his house. The other one is need for information. Then the paper, totally blank because he needs information, and after 9 hours he finishes it. Then need to finish project. You need to finish the project. Then he uses the projector, and the next day he finishes with projects and credits. My Invention comic, illustrated by Damien De La Rosa, story by Damien De La Rosa. And the last one is my sketches. I thought it would be at the hand. I thought it would be something that you could put in your brain and you could look in your mind. Another one, I think that you put in your eye and you could see it only from the glass. Another one,
Like contact lenses, kind of,
yeah. Another one was put it on your head.
on your forehead.
And another one on your body, or in another one you just could open your hands and put it on and then it appeared. And that's my drawing.
Very good. That's a really good. I see that happening in the future. Don't you guys see some kind of invention where we have a projector coming out? Very good. Let's give him a round of applause.